Good evening, everyone. I'm going to share you this last final test about phonetic and phonology. It is about a 7 recording. It is composed by 3 main points. First of all, it is the reading, transcription, and IPAT phonetic to English. So I'm going to start. Emotion are states or feelings that are often intense, last for only a short time, and are clearly directed at or caused by someone or some circumstances. Positive emotion include joy, pride, relief, love, and compassion. We must share positivism and joy to others by always trying to be positive and share feel. A negative emotion include anger and anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, sadness, envy, and disgust. Okay, the second part is about minimal pairs. We have in the first column some words. It is similar to the second one. And the first one we have cat and bat. Second one is white and wise. Right and road. Kite and night. Take and stick. Calf and cat. Pin and bean. Teal, peel. Teach, peach. They, pay. Dig and pig. And the last one, deal and peel. Okay, we have some other words, duck and back, date and bait, and tall and call, tool, cool, tape, cape, tote, coat, town, gown, tie, guy, tap, gap, tool, goal, tack, gack, table, gable, thin, fin, tail, fail, ton, fun, and the last one, thick and big. Okay, the last part is about intonation. First of all, we have the statements with one stress. We have she works, we laugh, it stopped, and we have statements with two stresses. In this case, Tom is reading, Mike is sleeping, the car stopped, the weather has changed. Okay, the next one is about the statements with three stresses. We have children like to play, the boy is reading a book, the weather is going to change, and that's it. The next one is about the statement with four stresses. First of all is she wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. The next one is about the statements with five stresses. We have Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. And this one is a special questions, following intonation. What is your name? What is your name? Sorry, what's your name? And where are you from? And where do you live? And the next one is about friendly interest, politeness, recent intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? And where have you been? The next one is about general questions, raising intonation, and have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Or do you need some help? Do you have a pen? And the next one is about request, raising intonation. May I speak to she, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Okay, the next one is about alternative questions, raising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Okay, as you know, tag questions, falling or rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Okay, the next one is about comments, falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. The next one about request, rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Okay, the next one is exclamatory sentences, falling intonation. It is good to see you. It is an excellent opportunity. I am so happy. Exclamation. Okay, the next one is about direct address, rising intonation. Can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? And is one enumerating, rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. The next one is we need paper, pens, and pencils. And responses, that is the last one. Item, that is I can, she is, he will, you should, I can, and he didn't. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.